Mogi, we can go Regier.
Come. Yo, listen. Come west side. Come west side. Bragi. Come west side.
Check Mugi.
Yo, listen. I'm gonna rotate
West
far,
side.
okay? I'm gonna go that way sync.
Monastery.
Yes. Think southeast waiting sunset.
There's a blob in sync. Wait lang.
Sunset,
Yeah, they
sunset,
are cutting
sunset.
off the regear. We are all stuck at Sing.
Where are you stuck? Tell me.
In the middle of Sing. They are at southeast of Sing. Yeah, one.
Okay. Who's cutting you off?
More zoning out from their hideout, Sing hideout.
Sunset.
Come back. That's a bad idea. Come back. Fuck. Stuck.
Yeah, they got more coming out from the Sing hideout.
Shit,
They
I'm kinda
are
stuck
joining
here.
the drug at southeast.
I will check.
Yeah,
here.
it's sunset in sync.
Yeah.
Where are you, Mugi?
I'm in Black Monastery, southeast.
Oh shit.
Cutthroat's gonna cut me off. I'm forced to fight. Everybody regroup in around divide.
Sunset PA 42.
We win.
You can go to Chesum. ZE not here anymore.
Chesem.
ZE zone southwest already.
Wait. I think I can go static.
ZE in Valley right now.
Yo, where's Cutthroat?
Pulang Monastery.
Where is Cutthroat?
We don't know.
Who? Come southeast.
Last scene, cutthroat, divide.
Come southeast. Yo, Baragi, come southeast, Baragi.
It called.
Divide Delts 16
Are they chasing?
05 rot.
How big are they? Yo, get ready to fight. Come southeast. Yo, Doki, are you still there, Doki? Come southeast. Okay. Kick kami southeast. Yeah, Ken, but my bomb squad caller still doesn't have any perm. Yo, Fakol, can you give my bomb squad caller perm? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. Zone southeast.
ZE holding southeast of Valley.
Come southeast. Yo, Doki, where are you? Zone. Doki, go caller 1. Yo, my bomb squad go caller 1. My bomb squad go caller 1. Doki, are you there? Where are you? You are back? Okay.
Zone
Wait,
check.
come southwest first. Zone, come southwest first. Yeah.
Mugi zone mo.
I'm in Bog right now.
I'm scouting ahead.
Yeah.
Bro, that is nothing, bro.
Divide is free.
Zone.
Southwest.
Gap
Mugi, the
3150.
rigger is in gap.
Okay. Be careful coming to me, okay? They're trying to chase me. Eventually, we're gonna get to regroup together. Yeah. I'm in Chasim now. Okay. You need to regroup fast, Doki, okay? I'm not yet complete.
Yo, Valley EQ right now,
Who?
Valley EQ right now, that's the queue.
Okay, everyone come northwest.
All rise, this is all rise, Mugi.
Alright, Zuni.
Okay, shit.
Some Zamoli.
Some only? Okay, come northwest. We need to come northwest. Come NW.
No queue anymore. Oh, I holding
Fuck you is here.
Yeah, zone
Alright.
northwest.
Zone northeast.
Yeah, zone northwest. kami na twist. Shit, man. I really need to go the long way. Next time, sorry guys. I won't risk it, but I will go the long way.
Crossroad in
This-
Black Monastery.
Cutthroat, BM.
Sunset
Northeast.
has zone to a bog
Crossroad
with
PM.
47 DA.
Bog. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Everyone, try to regroup with me in Hollow. Okay, Hollow. Driftwood Hollow. Sorry, okay. Sorry, kailangan nyo, kasi kailangan ko iwasan yung mga Zergs eh. Yo, Baragi, I regroup with my Zerg first, okay? Then we rotate back.
Also, Sunnydales is zoning to bog with 30 DA.
Alright, we can fight all of them, okay? Just trust, we can fight all of them. Just wait.
Alright in JSM right now.
Alright, in Chesem. Okay, come Northwest. I need to regroup with my Zerg first.
Cutthroat went northwest. Northwest BM.
Zone.
Holding northwest, southwest bog.
Yung ano. Where's Cutthroat now? Where's Cutthroat?
Cutthroat zone to sink. Cutthroat zone to sink.
Going southwest, northeast.
Yeah.
Where are they going?
All rise, bog. All rise and bog now.
Okay. Everybody hold northwest first. Everybody hold northwest. Hold northwest.
No eyes on sunset. I'm holding bog.
Okay. Sunset. Okay. Where's Cutthroat now?
Yeah, everyone's here.
Where's
Alright.
Cutthroat? Where's Cutthroat?
Bro, cutthroat in jail.
Okay.
Who's the blob in sync?
Probably Sunset.
Yeah, should be Sunset. They just came up from hideout.
They zone
What you say, Kajak?
northwest.
All rise holding mid. Going northeast now. They're splitting up. I think they're banking now. Going HO.
Alright. Zone northwest. Yo, Baragi, trying to go back to hideout first, okay?
Try I'm going
You
southwest.
can go back MR first.
I think they're demassing. They're splitting up Zergs. All rise going MGR.
Mugi City on trail Nagzozone sila. Kanina pa.
Oh, trail?
To.
Okay. Wait. Come northwest. Baragi. City and trail, Baragi. Come northwest.
Insurgents going out now, southwest. Chasam to.
Pa-southwest yung ano, yung
MMT, MMT going southwest.
Okay, come northwest.
Sunnydales going northwest of BM. Most likely they're going to zone to sink. Sunnydales.
Baragi, do you wanna fight Cutthroat, Baragi? Baragi. Okay. Oh, do. Everybody, I'm in Driftwoodville. Try to regroup with me. Yo, listen, get ready to fight. Yo, my bomb squad, where are you guys?
Pa northeast to sila. 36 DA.
Come northeast, come northeast. We chase them then. Come northeast. They're going northeast of trail, right? Okay. Chase them.
northeast.
Check OC.
Wait, but where's All Rise, by the way?
Didn't follow, but they were going MGR. Some of them are staying bog, nagbabank na ata. Yung iba,
So-
yung insurgents, eto nagpalit chasm na. Mid-map chasm.
Zone. Yeah, Baragi, we tried to go like fight Ascent. Or like Quag. Come notice. I'm already in trail, guys. I'm already in trail. Where's the rest? Argo, I don't think I can go back HO. City in front of me.
Nag-zone sila. Nag-zone sila sa
No, none. Kanatis.
Chasm banking na to, MMT.
Yeah. MMT, Chasm? Like who?
Isyo yun.
Nandito sa may
Insurgents and
northeast
who's this?
Okay.
Yung sa Needles Lab, nandito sa may northeast ng ng
Cross?
Dead Wisp.
Okay. Yo, Baragi zone artist. Yo, get ready.
Kapapasok gusto mamatay. Lang.
Yeah, I'm trying to buy time. But I need to re-OC soon. Come northwest. Yo, Baragi, come northwest first. I need to buy time first. Where's City? Come northwest. Okay. We still have time for double OC. Just wait. Come northwest.
Yung mga maze, pag open world fight, mag-Q1 na kayo.
Yo, listen, you guys have to spread more, okay?
Dismounted here,
Where they-
dismounted. They catching.
Yo, Baragi, let's go, Baragi. Dismount.
Dismount.
Dismount. Yo, second OC. Food up. Come southeast. Wait. Come back. Just wait. Yeah. Just hold, boys. Just wait. Hold on. Yo, watch the southwest, okay? Careful. Heal up. Oh, why my tank die there? You had no reason to die there. Everyone, get ready. Yo, the brawlers just chill. Wait, so.
Party 2, Party 3, Mark Tofu.
Yo, Malika, get ready to engage shallow. Everyone, step up. Wait. Jug, just keep stacking. Okay? Hold on. Tofu looking. Get ready to headbutt. Get ready potion. Potion. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Potion southeast now. Everything. Come back. Ready defenses here. Come back. Tofu walking in. Tanks hold them. Hold him. Spread. He's going deep. Spread. Hold on, boys. Heal up. He's going north side. He's on the north side. Careful. Ready defense north side, boys. Ready defense north side. Malika, get ready. Find me. Potion. Northeast. 5. Headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on them. On them. Nice. Now spread. Heal up. Spread. Okay. Spread. Come northeast. Yo. Okay. Yo, can we wipe them fast? Baragi, come northeast. Come northeast. Baragi, push them northeast. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, listen, everyone step up. Find me, get ready. Malika, get ready. Wait, defend shallow on me. Defend on me. Everything step up now. DPS, find me, get ready, okay? Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. So, kill inside, okay? Good. Keep pushing. Kill everything here, okay? Careful middle, boys. Careful middle, okay? Tofu almost dead. Tofu 1 HP, okay? Spread. He's gonna engage soon. Careful. Okay? He's looking west side. Ready defenses, okay? 5 seconds, boys, 5 seconds. Walks out now. DPS, get ready. Walks out now. Headbutt, south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on crown. More damage. Now spread. Kill these guys inside. Kill the guys inside, boys. Okay? Spread. Tofu almost dead. West side. Kill Tofu west side. Tofu dead. Okay? Yo, kill them all. Spread. Get ready. Malika, get ready. Find me. 5 seconds. All the DPS, find me. Get ready. Hold this tanks inside of me. Hold everyone on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Kill all the tank here. Nice one, boys. Nice one. Kill them all. Kill them all. Yo, careful. Okay? They still have bomb squad. Ready, defend shallow. Heal up. Wipe them here. Yo, kill them before sunset come. Everyone's outside. Walks outside now. Everyone's outside. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Top me now. Kill everything. Okay? Good job. Yo, wipe them. Inside, get ready. Kill everything inside. Yo, Baragi, we need to leave before sunset come.
Oh,
Yeah, Manta.
sunset already go to sing. They might get sing.
Mantap. Come northeast, boys. Let's go. Yeah, mantap. Everyone come northeast. Let's go. Yo, Baragi, we're done, Baragi.
Ron.
Come northeast.
People hitting us once upon a time, Mugi. Dito sa bridge.
Yeah, there's Cutthroat on southwest chasing the back of our block. Our Zerg.
Yo,
sorry.
come southwest.
Oh,
Can you help the backline?
Cutthroat is dismounted here. They all
Yo,
dismounted.
can you guys help the
Cutthroat.
backline? Can you help the backline? What's happening there?
It's cutthroat, Mugi.
Yo, just mount up. Yo, Baragi, they still at the west side. Still a lot of them west side. Dismount northeast side, boys. Yo, dismount.
What do you wanna?
Yeah, ready. Yo, Tofu here. Walk in now. Give me fix now. Get ready. Northwest. Okay. Northwest on the choke. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest choke now. Everything on me. Keep pushing them. Push them now. Keep pushing them. Just push them. Okay. Heal up inside, boys. Okay. Yo, a lot of flank north side. Come north side. Malika, find me. Come north side. Find me. Find the spam. Come north side uphill. Come north side uphill, boys. Okay? North side uphill. Yo, get ready. Inside of me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of me now. Okay. Yo, Baragi, we need to wipe them fast, okay? Wipe them fast. Kill Tofu fast. Everyone comes out. Walks out. Defend, get ready. Walks out. Where's Tofu? Yo, walks out. We kill Tofu here. Comes out. Tofu has no giga. Come. Ready defenses here. Listen, everything on Tofu. Potion. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me now. Top me now. Send it on top of me. Yo, Tofu happy. Kill Tofu here. Spread. Heal up. Heal up, boys. Heal up. Okay? Keep pushing. Just push. Tanks hold this outside. Get ready, okay? Yo, look at me. Get ready. Come west side. DPS, all find me. Get ready. On top of me. Wait. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Top me now. Kill Tofu here. Yo, Tofu 1 HP, okay? He's gonna engage you. His DPS looking. Keep pushing west side, boys. Ready defenses, okay?
He's running.
Yeah, he's running. Catch them all, boys. Catch them all. Everything on Tofu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him here. They're dead again.